Karma is a bitch. Good afternoon, my name is Jobcas and welcome back to another episode. And as you can see, we're in a different place. We're in a different setting. Why? Because I'm here in a hotel here in Malaysia. And I'm waiting for my agent to pick me up tomorrow for embarkation. Because if you remember on my past videos that I said, I am a seafarer. Kuha mo. Okay, why is karma a bitch? Let me tell you why. Because back in maybe May or June of this year, I was talking to a friend, and then I gave her my word that I will help her grow a specific group in our community. So when I arrived, I gave her some advices, and also back on board, I was giving her advices on how she would grow that community. Okay, going back, we saw each other, we met, we talked, and then she told me that I haven't fulfilled my promise. So I told myself that, okay, there is karma in everything. I broke my promise to my friend, and yeah, I'm expecting a karma in anytime soon. So the karma came. And then I met one of my closest friend in that community. I consider her as an ate or an elder sister. And then we met Sunday. We talked to each other. She said she would like to catch up with me. So I scheduled a day in the following week so that we can meet. So I told her that I'll free my Sunday night for you. I'll free my Wednesday night for you, ate. And then Wednesday morning came, still no response. And then Sunday night, still no response. And then poof, I think that's my karma. So you see, if you're going to give your word, make sure that you're gonna act on it, or sabi nga nila, paninindigan mo. I gave my word. I didn't fulfill a part of it, and I was expecting a karma. And then, yeah, that's what happened. Karma is a bitch, but sometimes that bitch is my friend.
Kuha mo.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if kailangan i-share mo siya sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga taong kakilala mo na puro dada lang para matuto sila may makuha silang lesson sa nangyari sa akin. And yun, I will see you in my next video. Bye!